This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Investing involves risk and semiconductor stocks can be extremely volatile. Always do your own research before investing. What if I told you that almost every major technology breakthrough happening right now depends on one thing? Tiny computer chips, artificial intelligence, self-driving cars, cloud computing, robotics, gaming, smartphones. Even the AI you are watching this video with right now depends on semiconductors. And in 2026, investors around the world are racing to buy the companies building those chips before the next wave of AI growth explodes even further. Now here is the crazy part. During the gold rush, most people did not become rich digging for gold. The biggest winners were the companies selling the tools and equipment. And many investors today believe the same thing is happening with artificial intelligence. While the world focuses on flashy AI apps and chatbots, the real money may actually be flowing to the semiconductor companies powering the entire AI revolution behind the scenes. That is exactly why the SMH ETF has become one of the hottest ETFs in America. This ETF owns some of the most powerful semiconductor companies on earth, including NVIDIA, Taiwan Semiconductor, Broadcom, AMD, and many more. These are the companies supplying the chips that power AI servers, data centers, robotics, and next-generation technology. Every time AI demand grows stronger, these companies sell more chips, and investors have noticed. Over the last few years, semiconductor stocks have exploded higher because the world suddenly realized that AI needs enormous computing power. Training advanced AI models requires thousands of expensive high-performance chips running inside giant data centers 24 hours a day. Tech companies are now spending billions of dollars building AI infrastructure, and semiconductor companies are sitting directly at the center of this massive opportunity. But here is where things get really interesting. Some analysts believe the AI revolution is still just getting started. Governments are investing heavily into semiconductor manufacturing. Cloud companies are expanding AI infrastructure globally. Robotics, automation, cybersecurity, and autonomous driving are all increasing demand for advanced chips. In simple words, semiconductors are becoming the backbone of the modern economy. And many investors believe SMH could continue benefiting from this trend for years to come. Welcome to ETF Holdings USA. Today we are breaking down SMH ETF, also known as the AI Goldmine ETF. We will explain how this ETF works, why semiconductor companies are dominating headlines, the risks investors need to understand, and whether SMH could still be one of the best AI investment opportunities in 2026. Because by the end of this video you will understand why semiconductors may be one of the most important industries on Earth right now. So what exactly is SMH ETF? The full name is VanEck Semiconductor ETF. This ETF focuses entirely on semiconductor companies, which are the businesses designing, manufacturing, and supplying the chips powering modern technology. Instead of buying one individual semiconductor stock, investors can buy SMH and instantly gain exposure to many of the biggest companies in the chip industry. SMH currently holds around 25 semiconductor companies and focuses heavily on the leaders driving AI growth. One of the biggest holdings by far is NVIDIA, which has become the face of the AI boom. NVIDIA designs powerful graphics processing units, also known as GPUs, and these chips are essential for training artificial intelligence models and running AI data centers. Every time companies invest more money into AI infrastructure, NVIDIA benefits, and because NVIDIA represents a major position inside SMH, the ETF often rises alongside NVIDIA's growth. Another giant inside SMH is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, also known as TSMC. This company manufactures advanced chips for many of the world's largest technology businesses, including NVIDIA, AMD, and Apple. Without TSMC, modern semiconductor production would struggle because very few companies on Earth can manufacture advanced AI chips at scale. That is why Taiwan Semiconductor has become one of the most strategically important companies in the global technology supply chain. SMH also includes major semiconductor companies like Broadcom, AMD, Qualcomm, ASML, Applied Materials, Micron Technology, Lam Research, and Intel. Some of these companies design chips, others manufacture them. Others build the expensive equipment required to produce semiconductors. Together, these businesses form the infrastructure powering artificial intelligence, cloud computing, smartphones, gaming, and advanced robotics. Now let us talk about why AI is creating such massive demand for semiconductors. Artificial intelligence systems require huge amounts of computing power. Every AI chatbot, recommendation engine, voice assistant, image generator, and autonomous system relies on advanced chips to process data. Training large AI models can require thousands of GPUs running continuously inside massive data centers. That creates enormous demand for semiconductor companies supplying the hardware behind AI systems. And this demand is not only coming from tech companies. Governments are increasing semiconductor investments because chips are now viewed as strategically important for economic growth and national security. Cloud companies are expanding AI infrastructure rapidly. Automotive companies are building smarter vehicles. Factories are using automation and robotics more than ever before. Even healthcare, finance, and defense industries are increasing AI adoption. All of these trends continue increasing semiconductor demand globally. This is why many investors call semiconductors the oil of the digital economy. Almost every major technological advancement depends on chips. Without semiconductors, modern AI systems simply cannot function. And because SMH gives investors exposure to many of the leading companies behind this transformation, the ETF has attracted enormous attention from growth investors. But investors also need to understand the risks because SMH is not a low volatility investment. Semiconductor stocks can move extremely fast both upward and downward. During powerful technology rallies, SMH can massively outperform the broader market. But during tech sell-offs, semiconductor ETFs can fall very sharply. This sector is known for aggressive price swings because semiconductor demand moves in cycles. Another important risk is concentration. NVIDIA currently represents a very large portion of SMH, which means the ETF is heavily influenced by NVIDIA's performance. If NVIDIA experiences a large correction, the ETF can drop quickly. Investors should understand that SMH offers focused semiconductor exposure, not broad market diversification. Now many investors compare SMH with another popular semiconductor ETF called SOXX. Both ETFs focus on semiconductors and both benefit from AI growth. However, SMH is generally more concentrated in top holdings, especially NVIDIA, while SOXX spreads its investments more evenly across the sector. Some investors prefer SMH because it captures stronger momentum from the biggest AI winners, while others prefer SOXX because of slightly broader diversification. So who should invest in SMH? This ETF may appeal to long-term growth investors, technology enthusiasts, AI believers, and investors comfortable with market volatility. People who believe artificial intelligence will continue transforming the global economy may see semiconductor companies as one of the strongest long-term investment opportunities available today. However, conservative investors looking for stability and steady income may not feel comfortable with SMH because the volatility can be intense. This ETF is designed for growth, not monthly income. Investors who panic during market corrections may struggle holding semiconductor ETFs through large swings. Looking ahead to 2026, the future outlook for semiconductors still appears very strong according to many analysts. AI infrastructure spending continues rising worldwide. Data center demand remains massive. Robotics, cloud computing, autonomous driving, cybersecurity, and smart devices are all increasing semiconductor demand. Governments are also investing billions into domestic chip manufacturing because semiconductors are now considered critical industries. Still, investors should remain realistic. Semiconductor stocks already delivered enormous gains during the AI boom, and future volatility should absolutely be expected. No sector rises forever without corrections. Long-term investors usually focus on the larger technological trend instead of short-term price swings because technology revolutions often develop over many years. At the end of the day, SMH is much more than just a semiconductor ETF. It represents the infrastructure powering the future of artificial intelligence. Every AI system, cloud platform, smart device, and modern digital technology depends on semiconductors. And as artificial intelligence continues expanding across the global economy, many investors believe semiconductor companies could remain some of the biggest winners of the next decade. So now tell us in the comments, do you believe the AI revolution is still just getting started? And would you invest in semiconductor ETFs like SMH right now? Also, let us know which ETF you prefer more, SMH or SOXX. And if you enjoy simple ETF investing content, subscribe to ETF Holdings USA for more videos about AI investing, passive income, and long-term wealth building strategies.